The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Zamboanga del Sur in the Zamboanga Peninsula region or Region 9. The province of Zamboanga del Sur has the city of Pagadian as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island group of the Zamboanga Peninsula region or Region 9. It is composed of 2 cities, 26 municipalities, and 779 barangays. It was founded on June 6, 1952. The total land area is 4,499.46 kilometers squared or 1,737.25 square miles. The province of Zamboanga borders Zamboanga del Norte to the north, Zamboanga Sibugay to the west, Misamis Occidental to the northeast, and Lanao del Norte to the east. To the south is the Moro Gulf. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Zamboanga del Sur in Region 9 or the Zamboanga Peninsula region. We have the municipality of Aurora with 44 barangays, municipality of Bayog with 28 barangays, municipality of Dimataling with 24 barangays, municipality of Dinas with 30 barangays, municipality of Dumalinaw with 30 barangays, municipality of Dumingag with 44 barangays, municipality of Gipos with 17 barangays, and the municipality of Josefina with 14 barangays. We also have the municipality of Gumalarang with 18 barangays, municipality of Labangan with 25 barangays, municipality of Lakewood with 14 barangays, municipality of Lapuyan with 26 barangays, municipality of Mahayag with 29 barangays, municipality of Margo sa Tubig with 17 barangays, municipality of Midsalip with 33 barangays, and the municipality of Molave with 25 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital, Pagadian City with 54 barangays, the municipality of Pitogo with 15 barangays, municipality of Ramon Magsaysay with 27 barangays, municipality of San Miguel with 18 barangays, municipality of San Pablo with 28 barangays, municipality of Suminot or Don Mariano Marcos with 18 barangays. We also have the municipality of Tabina with 15 barangays, municipality of Tambulig with 31 barangays. We also have the municipality of Tigbao with 18 barangays, municipality of Tukuran with 25 barangays, municipality of Vincencio A. Sagun with 14 barangays, and Zamboanga City with 98 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Zamboanga del Sur in the Zamboanga Peninsula region or Region 9. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.